In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a shipping zone on Shopify quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, scroll down and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, select Shipping and Delivery from the Settings menu. This is where all your shipping profiles and zones are managed. Inside the shipping section, locate the shipping profile that contains the shipping zone you want to remove. Click on the shipping zone to open its settings. Review the countries or regions attached to it to make sure you're editing the correct zone. Now look for the Delete Zone option and click on it. Shopify may ask you to confirm your decision before permanently removing the shipping zone. After confirming, the shipping zone will be removed from your Shopify store immediately. Before finishing, double-check your remaining shipping settings to ensure customers can still place orders without shipping issues. Thanks for watching.